Hello friends, welcome back to lmsle.com. In today's video, we will be having a look at the Moodle plugin named as Mail in the plugins repository and how you can set it up on your Moodle site so that the users will be allowed to send messages to each other using an interface which is similar to the modern days webmail clients such as Gmail, etc. So by using this mail plugin, you can add an email facility within Moodle so that the students can send emails to each other through Moodle itself. You can download this plugin from the link given in the description section below. So I will be just downloading it now and showing you the process from scratch. So let me first download it. And then I will be going back to my Moodle site and going to the site admin page and click the plugins, then install plugins. So here you need to drop the zip file which you just downloaded. So let me drop it here and click install plugin from the zip file. Again, it will go through a series of validations. So click continue here. And then click continue at the bottom. And then click upgrade Moodle database. So we have installed this mail plugin on our Moodle site now. So here you can set up the default settings for this mail plugin. You can see that we have a backup setting. So if you would like to backup and restore of the mail messages, then keep it to yes, which is set by default. Then sets the maximum number of recipients allowed per message. So you can limit how many number of students person can send the email. Then similarly, user search limit is also limit to 100 by default, so you can reduce it accordingly. Then number of attachments. So kindly note that this higher number in this field will be might result in filling up of your storage space on your server, because the students might be sending a lot of attachments to each other. So you need to restrict it, let me say that to 5 or 3 or 1 depending on your server space, and then keep this attachment size to minimum. So let me keep it to 1 megabytes here. And then you can have these global trays such as the starred, sent, drafts, trash, etc. Then similarly you can have the course trays. So these will be the different menus under the email, like the courses with 100 messages or all courses here. So then you can choose the name of the course trays, then filter by the course, by the short name or full name or hide. Then similarly you can have the course badges also, and then you can have instant search limit, and then you can also have a link to the course. So let me say that I would like to have a short name of the course link, and then click save changes when you are done with all these settings. So now we have finished the mail plugin installation on our Moodle site. Now let me show you how you can use it. Now you can see that we have a new icon here on top of our screen, so which is named as mail. So this is the option which the users can use to send and receive the emails from different users across this Moodle site. So let me click on this one, and you can see that it is showing all the menus which we have just configured. So let me say that I would like to go to inbox. So here you can see that there are no messages found. So let me click on compose here, and you can choose which course you would like to add the recipients. So let me choose only one course here, and let me select a user here. So let me add it to CC, sorry, to 2. And similarly we can add a user to CC. So we have added 2 users, and then I will be just sending a hello. And then you can attach a file. So you can see that we have a maximum number of files is 5, and then just click on save if you would like to save it as a draft, or you can click on send button, and you can see the progress here, it is rotating. So now in the inbox we do not have any messages, but under the sent mail we have one email. So This is a pretty useful plugin in terms of improving the messaging, or let me say the communication across the students, so that they can easily and freely communicate with each other. And I believe that it can be pretty helpful for you also if you would like to encourage the students to communicate to each other in your Moodle course. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you. Have a great day.